How to delete Instagram block list without having to unblock. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can delete Instagram block list without having to unblock them. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, head over to the bottom right corner, then tap on your profile icon. Once you're on your profile piece, here tap on the three-line icon at the top right. And under settings and privacy, you have to scroll down, and under the section that is who can see your content, there is blocked option. You have to tap on it. And under this account, you will find all the contact that you have blocked. Now, in order to remove them without having to unblock, take a screenshot of this page. Now, once you have taken this screenshot, you have to go back. Now under settings and activities, scroll through and then tap on help. Then tap on report a problem. Tap on report problem without seeking. Then tap on don't include and continue. After that, you have to tap on upload and then select the screenshot that you have taken recently. Now in this interface, you have to type in that you want to remove your block list without having to unblock this contact. After that, tap on send at the top right. And once you have sent your request to Instagram support center, they will review your request and they will automatically remove your block list without having to unblock this contact. And that's how you can delete Instagram block list without having to unblock them. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.